I enjoy it because of the level of people and the quality of people we see at the show. They're all people that understand AM, they understand where it fits in today. We get the decision makers at this show, so that's really why we're here. How do you train people to use the technology? And how do you get them to design parts which are suitable?
Companies need to grow AM in their business is to really work hard on finding parts that are suitable for AM, to redesign these parts, to really use the advantages of additive manufacturing.
Automotive is one industry where we can push things forward as they have a demand, but we have to be careful. We have to choose the right products, the right projects in order to be successful.
I think that AM will change a lot of business models in traditional manufacturing, but it really needs a thinking change also in the heads of the people who lead these companies, the engineers who design parts, for example.
And these kind of approaches, new properties, new functionalities, that will appear. And if we see this conference here, it's growing and growing, and so here we see the demand of know-how.
Spare part, headrest for the German railway is a big example. For a train that is not there anymore, you need to think about how can I get a part of a 30-year-old train where there's no tool anymore, where you have to think about another way to do that.